So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend. This is the last video in my comparison between the best streaming services for 2019. Now in the past I've done full comparison on YouTube TV, Sling, Hulu, Directv Now, PlayStation View, Fubo TV, as well as Philo, and all those services are in the playlist right there, guys. I'll put a link in the top right where you can check it out. But I've received a lot of questions over the past couple months. Which service do you think is better? So what I've done, I've created an NCAA style single elimination bracket, and as you can see, round one we had Directv versus Sling. Directv won that one. Then we had Fubo versus PlayStation View. PlayStation View won that one. We went PlayStation View versus YouTube. YouTube TV was a little bit better in my opinion. And up top we had Hulu versus Directv Now, and Directv Now came out on top for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the last comparison between Directv Now and YouTube TV. So if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button in the top right, hit that notification bell, guys, share these videos, hit the thumbs up on this video if you think it might help someone else. First of all, starting price for the YouTube TV is $40. Of course, with taxes it comes up to about $43. Directv was $40 as well, about a month and a half, 2 months ago, but they recently upped their prices to $50 at the minimum package. As far as channels, for $40 you're getting 60 plus channels from YouTube TV. You're now getting 40 channels from Directv Now, and before it was 65 channels, guys. So they dramatically cut 20 channels and increased the price by $10, which is ridiculous in my opinion. DVR, YouTube, Directv Now, they both have DVR service. I do believe that YouTube's DVR is a little bit better. They keep your content for up to 9 months, and this is unlimited, guys. Now Directv Now does offer DVR as well, cloud DVR, but they limit you to 20 hours per storage, and if you wanted more than that, you can go ahead and upgrade. So YouTube TV again wins that comparison in my opinion. As far as the on-demand, both have on-demand and supported devices for YouTube TV. You have iOS, Android, Roku, Apple TV, 4th generation and 4K. You also have Chromecast, Samsung, LG TVs, certain models. So please make sure your TV is compatible before you go ahead and get the service, guys. Same thing with Vizio, Hisense, Sharp, and you can watch it on your PC and Mac in the browser. Now, one thing's missing from this list is your Fire TV and Fire TV sticks. So essentially, there's a feud between Google and Amazon where Amazon pulled Google devices from their store. Google stopped putting their apps on Amazon devices, so if you guys notice, you won't get YouTube or YouTube TV on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. So that's going on. So that's essentially why YouTube TV is not available on the Fire Stick. However, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, I released a video yesterday showing you guys how you can go ahead and sideload a version of YouTube TV on your device so you can go ahead and watch it on your Fire Stick. So check that video out. I put a card in the top right now. So officially, Fire TV is not supported, but there are ways to get around it. As far as Directv Now, you do have support for your Amazon Fire devices, Android, Apple TV, Chromecast, your Chromecast enabled TVs, computers, of course, and your web browser, and you can watch this on your iOS and Roku devices. And last but not least, simultaneous streams for YouTube. You do get 3 simultaneous streams. However, you can share your account with up to 6 people, guys. So if you have 6 different people in your household, you can go ahead and create accounts for them, and that comes in handy, especially when you're accessing your DVR or your preferences when you load up the interface. And that's a very cool feature, guys. For Directv Now, you do get 2 streams. So 60 channels versus 40 channels, and I do know it's quality over quantity. So let's go ahead and check out the channel listings for both services. So first, Directv Now. So since this is a new service, they do have a promo code which gives you a month free, but like I said, it's up to you guys if you want to check them out. Both services do have free trials. So for the $50 a month, let's go ahead and check out the channels. You do have a $50 package which gives you 40 plus channels, and you do have a $70 package which gives you 10 more channels. So here's what you're getting for the $50 a month, guys. You do have the 3 HBOs, you have ABC, look like you have CBS, CW, do have Fox Sports, ESPN 1 and 2. Revolt, TBS, Sci-Fi, True TV. So you do have some channels on here, but like I said, up to you to look at these channels. If HBO is a big thing for you, then this might be worth getting. And further down, you do have the option to get Cinemax, Showtime, as well as Stars, guys. So here are the channels for the $50 package. If you go to the $70 package, you do get more channels. Look like they included HBO as well as Cinemax for this package. Anything else, you're gonna pay a little bit extra. I prefer their previous plans, but this is what it is now, especially if you're a new customer. For YouTube TV, here are the channels that you're getting, guys. So ABC, NBC, you do have you do have ESPN 1, 2, ESPNU, ESPN News, you have Fox Sports 1 and 2, you do have the MLB Network. Baseball season just started. You do have NBA TV, which I'm a big fan of. I do have some local stuff, so this is my Orlando City channel. Looks like you still have Sundance, Telemundo, TNT. You have some YouTube originals, True TV, and below they do have additional channels that you can go ahead and get, guys. So AMC, you have the Curiosity, Fox Soccer, you have NBA League Pass, Showtime. That's $7 a month. So even if you look at the price of Showtime on here versus the price of Showtime on here, you can see you're still getting a better deal over here on YouTube TV, guys. So Stars, they do have SN, which I'm not sure what that is, but here are the channels, and essentially they only have this package with the additions, but it looked like for the most part they do have all the channels that you're getting over here on the new Directv Now lineup, plus it's cheaper, plus the DVR is a little bit better. So as far as the interface, this is what both of them will essentially look like on the web ports. You can go ahead and just scroll through, and I like the fact that it does give you like a live preview. Pretty cool feature, I believe. Below you do have different categories. You do have your shows, stuff you can add to your library, resume watching, family area, sports, movies, news. All right, shows on YouTube. So a lot of cool categories on here. On library, when you start recording stuff in your DVR, this is where that will go. Go back to live. This is essentially your TV guide. So this is not a traditional TV guide, but I do like it. And there's a lot of options to actually customize it. So love the live preview that gives you. Once again, big fan of that. You just hover it over it and it just essentially just show you where you are in the show. So easy to scroll down. But cool thing about this is that you can actually customize how it looks or what you're viewing. So if you click off of default, the drop down, you can edit. And from here you can see you can move stuff around. You can uncheck certain channels if you don't watch them. You can get them out of your area. You can put them in alphabetical order. So you do have a lot of cool options, right? Like I said, just kind of make this work for you. As far as Directv Now, the interface has always been one of my favorites among these streaming services. So play windows right there. You can go ahead and maximize it, but if you scroll up, the window will pop up. And if you scroll back up, it just kind of picks up where it left off, guys. So what's on now? You have March Madness, continue watching, do have trending, do have reality TV, featured, kids. So nice layout of your home menu, guys. So easy to pick up where you left off just to find something new to watch. You do have the library. This is where your DVR stuff will be. You do have Discover. All right, so you're looking for shows, popular movies, comedy series, whatever the case is. And the guide, it is a traditional guide, which I do love, and everything is nicely laid out. You can add your favorites, so that way it's easier to search. You do have movies, sports, kids, TV shows at the top. So with all that said and done, my decision has been made. So Directv Now, love the interface, love the TV guide, and I love the fact that they did throw in HBO. Dislikes about the plan, not only did they cut our channels from 65 to 40, but also increase the price point from $40 to $50, and now you're paying over $1 a channel for the month. The only plus is that they did throw in HBO, but for me that's not a big enough reason to stay with the service or to purchase the service as my primary. Now YouTube TV did have a decent user interface, like the TV guide, love the live preview of the channels, and I did love the fact that they give you essentially unlimited DVR, guys. So anything you can record up to 9 months, they will go ahead and house it for you. On the other hand, the price point was right. It is $40 a month. You're getting over 60 channels. And as far as the channels, I did like the fact that, hey, they included NBA TV, MLB Network, all the ESPNs, and usually that's not just something that's thrown into a cable package. So with all that said and done, my winner is YouTube TV. So if you would have asked me 2 months ago to compare these two, the outcome probably would have been different. But since the recent changes, guys, with the price increase, the channel being cut, and all that other stuff in the middle, there's no way I could have picked Directv now. Just headed in the wrong direction. And as for a cord cutter, the primary reason for cutting the cord is to save money. So with them increasing prices every couple months, it's just heading in the wrong direction. Even the comparison between Hulu and DirecTV would have been much harder if that would have been the case back then. But as for now, I can only go with what information I have currently, and YouTube TV is the winner. However, I do see myself doing another comparison maybe in the near future, because I know the packages, they change all the time. Prices will go up and down, and that's something that I'll stay on top of. So drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of this comparison. Did I get it right? Also, let me know what you think about DirecTV's recent changes, guys. How you feel about it? Is it worth it? Is HBO worth the price increase? And also let me know if you think YouTube TV is the best streaming service that's currently available. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.